Very good morning, all the students of third standard. And as usual, we are learning 8th lesson of our social study, that is occupations. This lesson we are learning page number 47, occupations. In this lesson's point number first, we have completed farmings, but three kinds of occupations are there: primary occupations, secondary occupations, and tertiary occupations. In this way, there are the three main occupations are there: primary, secondary, and tertiary. In the primary, farming is there. Along with the farming, dairy farming is there. Now after dairy farmings, next one point, poultry farming. In the primary occupation, poultry farmings. Poultry, we know that hens, eggs, where the big poultries are there. So poultry farming is carried out by many peoples. So this kind of farming is carried out by many people from our country. They carried poultry farmings. They breed hens and ducks for the eggs. So in poultry farming, they breed hens, and along with that, the ducks and eggs, they breed there. Hens and chickens are also raised for their meat. Hens and chickens, they raise for their meat. Many people, they are meat eaters, so they buy, they purchase from, they will get, their needs are fulfilled from poultry farmings to the hens and the chickens. All the above activities are primary occupations. So what are these activities are there? These activities are called as primary occupations. Farming, dairy farming, and poultry farming, they are called as the primary occupations. The next now, many secondary occupations. See, secondary occupations are now, which are they? So many secondary occupations depend on farm products. Secondary occupations, they are depend on the farming products. What are the farming products are there? Secondary occupations, they are depend on the farming products there. For example, cloth is made in a textile mills from the cotton that is grown in the field. For example, textile industry is there, cotton industry or the textile industry. So cloths, most of our cloths, whatever cloths we wear, these cloths, cotton, are made into the textile industry there. And to make the cloths, we need cotton, and cotton is obtained from the field. It's grow in a field there, cotton farmings. So secondary occupation is depend on the primary occupations. From where do they fulfill their need? They complete their need of cottons from the farm. In the farm, cotton grows in a field there. They obtain the cotton from it, and from the cotton they produce a cloth in a textile industry or into the industry there. So in a textile industry also there, textile industry is the largest industry in our country, and they are totally depend on primary occupations. They are depend on primary occupations, yes. So cloth, cotton we get through the farm. So it is a primary. That jute is also grown in a field, which is then used for the making rope and bags there. Jute is also there. Another one. It is also obtained through the field there, and jute is mostly used for making the ropes or the bags. For what purpose do we use jute there? Jute we use to make a rope, or we use to make a bags. So it is also depend on the primary occupation. Jute we get through the field there, and through the jute we can make the ropes for climbing, for tying that, and also for bags. Tea leaves are plucked from the tea gardens. Tea every day in our home, parents they drink the tree. Sorry, they drink tea there. Sometimes we also like to drink tea every day in the morning and evening time. So from where do they obtain the tea? From the tea garden. Leaves are there. They pluck the leaves from the plant, uh, tea plant, and the tea plants big gardens are there. So we means the leaves of tea plants they plucked from the tea gardens and processed in the factory, and after plucking the leaves of tea plant they make processing on that leaves in a tea factory. How the textile factory is there, like same way tea factories are also there. So they make the processing there. Cooking oil is also prepared by crushing different kinds of oil seeds. Cooking oil, what are the oil we use to cook our food? So that cooking oil is also prepared by crushing the different kinds of oil seeds. Oil seeds are there, soya, groundnuts. When we crush, then we will get oil from it. So that oil, cooking oil we obtain by crushing the oil seeds, and so the oil seeds are grown in the field then. And oils, from where do we get the oil seed? That these oil seeds also we get through the we get through the field there, farming, the farms, farming is there. So these oil also, cooking oil also, we oil seeds we get, they are grown in a field. Such sugar or jaggery are also made from the sugar cane, and this is grown in a field there. We know the sugar, we like to eat sugar there every day. Sometime without knowing to anyone in home, we slowly will go in a kitchen, we'll take 1 spoon sugar and we eat. Mostly when the parent they will say, they will scold that. And while drinking milk also we add in that sugar. So sugar, that sugar and jaggery is also there. We eat jaggery sometime with the groundnuts. Jaggery chikki also they made them. So jaggery and the sugar, it is made from the sugar cane. Sugar cane is also grown into the field there. So jaggery industry, oil industry, tea industry, textile industries, all they are the secondary industries, are secondary occupations are there. They are depend on the primary occupations, means they get their raw materials from the primary occupations, from the farm, from the field. So they are important this, and they are totally depend on the primary occupations. Thus raw materials like a cotton, jute, tea, oilseed, sugar cane are processed into the finished goods in a factory. So what is there? These are the products are there. For example, raw materials like cotton, jute, oilseed, sugar cane. They are processed in a factory, and they, by making processings in a factory, we get the finished goods or product through the factory. Fruits, and along with that, fruits are canned and jams are squashes are made. Fruits are canned and jams and squashes are made there. What are the fruits are there? From the fruits they make jams. From the fruits they make the drinks, cold drinks, fruit drinks they make there from the fruits only. Jams also they make. Milk is also processed to prepare a milk product. Along with that, what are the milk we drink every day? That milk is also processed. By making the processing on the milk, different kinds of milk products they prepare, they make. For example, butter, ghee, paneer, and cheese, milk, butter, ghee, paneer, or the cheese, such kinds of product, milk product mostly we obtain, means the prepares from the milk. So all these activities come under the secondary occupations. So whatever these activities are there, all these activities we get or they come under the secondary occupations. To the secondary occupations we get these activity there. So secondary occupations is totally depend on the primary occupations. So for today we'll stop here. I'll send the photo of this. When you'll come tomorrow, then tomorrow we'll see with the next point. I'll send the photo of all this 8 lesson, full lessons photo I'll send. Okay, you prepare, read it out this lesson. Thank you very much. Bye.